I'm going to show you this place, which is located on a mountain in Chiang Dao, Thailand. You probably have already aware that all the plates on the wall are made by dry leaves. The texture is very interesting. I can feel the steams of the leaf. See, they are also very beautiful with the natural color from the original leaves. Quite smooth. I believe it probably can hold the food without breaking out the juice and sauce. The leaf plates are more eco-friendly as they have much less carbon footprint during the production. Here is a machine which is for making the leaves into a plate. I think the leaf plate has the potential to replace paper plates one day, since there are more and more companies start to develop their low carbon products.